So ayun na nga ang chika. For this video, samahan nyo kong magluto ng napakasimpleng dish, ang sarsyadong itlog na sasamahan natin ng pritong galunggong. So tara, samahan nyo akong magluto. So napakadali lang. First things first is ilalaga natin yung itlog. Ang ginawa ko, isinabay ko yung itlog sa pagsasaing ko ng rice para nakatipid na tayo ng oras, nakatipid pa tayo ng gas. So habang nagsasaing, igisa na ang sibuyas at kamatis at lutuing maigi hanggang maging ganyan, malata, kasi yan ang magsisilbing pinaka-sauce ng ating dish. So while plating, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. You may comment down below. At kung di ka pa nakasubscribe or follow, it's Alan Laurenciano on Facebook and Alan RC channel here on YouTube. So I garnish it with some spring onions for added color, and then nag-drizzle tayo ng sesame oil, dagdag pampalasa and aroma. So this is best paired with any pritong isda and some sukang sausawan. That's it. Thank you for watching our video. See you on our next recipe. Kain po!